Has anyone else's house completely unraveled since summer started? Because mine definitely has. Between motherhood, daily life, and everything else, my home has been needing a serious reset. Let's get it all done. So, as you can see, this living room has been lived in and it needs a good reset. So, that's what we're going to do today. I need to fold the blankets, put them how they go. Things just need straightened up. And then I'm going to also vacuum in here. So, I want to hear from you guys. What plans does everyone have for the rest of the summer? I'm looking for ideas. We don't have like a vacation planned. We sometimes have we'll go to Florida with my parents or something, but we're actually not doing that this year. We're kind of just keeping this summer open. I mentioned in a previous video that people are talking about giving their kids like a true 90s summer break, and I love that. And so I'm kind of doing that this year. We're not like planning it super structured. We're just kind of keeping it spontaneous. And yeah, I just want to hear from you guys. What is everybody else's plans for the rest of summer? I'm just laughing watching this clip back and thinking about how many times I tell everybody else, like, put your shoes away, put your shoes away, put your shoes away. And the only person's shoes that are out is two pairs of mine. That just makes me laugh. Like, as mothers, we can get away with that kind of thing, but like, it's so funny. I'm also just using my homemade room spray, I guess. It's just water mixed with fabric softener in a spray bottle. And I always have to pick up my dog because whenever I'm spraying it, he wants to come in and I'm like, it's gonna get in your eyes and you could go blind. So I always have to pick him up. But now we are in my bedroom, also a lived in room. There's clothes to be put away. I have to do laundry today. The bed needs to be made for the day. So lots to do in here as well. This is one of my big pet peeves when somebody halfway like shuts a drawer, or not even halfway, it's like almost shut, and it's like you couldn't have just taken the time to shut it completely. Yes, that was my husband. Men. And now I'm just refilling our diffuser so it can be nice and calm and relaxing when we go to bed tonight. And yeah, there we have it, a nice, clean, refreshed room ready for bedtime. Today is a rare day that I'm going to get all of the laundry done, all three of ours. So if you saw in a previous video, I do our laundry separately just because like I'm tired of pens being left in my husband's pockets and ruining my clothes. Now, I am still sometimes washing my son's and I's clothes together because he's not like putting stuff in his pockets. So that helps to get a lot of laundry done in a short amount of time. But that's what I'm doing today. My goal is to get all three of ours laundry done, and I actually do that. And now I have to do dishes, but I have to put away the dishes that were drying before I start on the dirty dishes. Also, if you guys are like curious about the Nespresso machine, this one right here, I can't remember what it's called. It's like the Pop Plus or something. I love this machine. I wanted it so bad because it's pink. However, the water reservoir holds maybe 3 cups of coffee, and so that's a little bit of a bummer, but I mean, it still holds 3. I just find myself refilling it quite often because I do have a coffee pretty much every day. So last night was one of the rare nights that we did not do the dishes and like reset the house before bed, and we had potato packets, which are so delicious, but cleanup is so annoying. Like, look at all of that it leaves behind. So I don't know how you guys do yours, but I put mine, I on the tin foil, I spread some butter, I put salt, pepper, and then like good seasoning that will go with potatoes, and then I cook the potatoes, cut them up, put them in there with chopped onion, and then we throw them on the grill for, I think, I don't know, my husband does it, I think it's like 20 minutes, and it's so good, but cleanup is such a mess. I remember when we first got this house, I did like an empty house tour for you guys, and I had said something about like we finally have a garbage disposal, and said I was scared of it. Well, it's like 6 years later, and I'm not scared of it anymore, but I just find that so funny. I also like to go back and watch that video because you can tell like we were so excited with this new house, and looking at all the changes we have done, like that's why I like filming these videos. I mean, obviously content for you guys, but also just stuff to look back on. I forgot how our house looked the day we got the keys to it, and I can say today I'm very happy with the changes we have made. And oh, the countertops, like forever not clean. Like, I swear I clean them and 5 minutes later there is mess on and again. So you can bet in my cleaning videos there will always be counter cleaning happening. And then I'm also just vacuuming in here because that did not get done last night either. Like, we were so tired, we literally just went to bed. So that didn't happen, so I'm doing it today. That is our back door where you just saw me let my dog out to go potty. So that, tracks in a lot of dirt and debris. So obviously the kitchen gets it, and I just want to give it a good vacuum. And now I'm just kind of refreshing the fridge. Not much to be done in here. It actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. And then I'm just going to switch over the laundry and get the second load going. So that is it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoy this kind of content, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!